Hi students, in the previous session already we have discussed what is depreciation. So in the depreciation, so what are the various examples for depreciation and what are assets, what are the different types of assets, these things we have discussed in the previous class. So first of all, in the previous class just we have discussed regarding meaning. What is it meaning? Already people's the meaning of depreciation. Depreciation is nothing but according to R.N. Carter, depreciation means decreasing in the value of asset due to wear and tear or passage of time. This is what meaning of depreciation. So in this session we will discuss about what are the various features of depreciation. What are the various features of depreciation? In these features now we will discuss one by one. So here the first feature of depreciation, so here it is declared in the value of fixed assets. So in the business organization goes on diminishing year after year in the value of fixed assets. Is it right? The first feature is shows it is declined in the value of fixed assets. In case of any assets, whether it may be either furniture or machinery or plant, whatever it may be, all the assets value goes on diminishing year after year, whether it may be either wear and tear or obsolescence or passage of time. So this is what one of the very important feature of depreciation. The second feature, when we are coming into next feature of depreciation, means here it includes loss value of due to passage of time. So in case of we are taking any assets, so here it includes loss of value. It includes loss of value due to passage of time. Suppose in the business organization we are installing plant. The main intention of installation of plant is, so we need to gain more than 1 year. We need to use that plant for the business more than 1 year, right? So here, just like for example, passage of time, this is one of the feature. Just like example, a business firm buys a machine. A business firm buys a machine for rupees 5 lakh. 5 lakh rupees worth of machinery, a business concern they are purchasing on April 1st, 2019. April 1st, 2019, this is what beginning of the assessment year. In this date, actually they are purchasing machine. That machine cost should be 5 lakh rupees. And in the year 2018, I mean next year, in the next year, a new version of machine arrives to the business, I mean market. So in the year of April 1st, 2017, actually they are purchasing 5 lakh worth of machine. And the same way in the next year, I mean in the year of 2019, they are purchased one machine. Again, in the year of 2020, again a new version of machine arrives in the market. I mean next year, again one more new features machine, it arrives to the market. And as a result, the final result, it becomes the machine bought by a business of firm, it becomes outdated because of in the previous year machine, this is what old version. So in the current year, I mean 2020, latest features machine it is arrived into the market. So on the time compared to previous machine, that machine should be outdated. So on the time, the result of declared in the value of mold machine should be passage of time. In case of any assets goes on using year after year, in the value of assets should be declined, I mean diminishing in the value of that assets. So here the second feature it says it includes loss of value due to passage of time or abnormals. So this is what second feature of depreciation. So the first feature it shows it is declared in the book value of fixed asset. It shows the book value of fixed assets. The second one it says it includes loss of value. Loss of value means nothing but the book value. The book value is due to passage of time. Again, when we are coming into third feature of depreciation, it is a continuous process. In the business organization, must and should we need to use machineries as well as assets. Without assets, we can't do anything in the firm. So here, when we are using assets, on the time goes on diminishing in the value of that assets. The assets, whether it may be either machinery or plant or furniture, whatever it may be, the value of assets goes on continuous process. The value of depreciation, year after year, the original cost should be depreciated from year to another year. So this is what third feature of depreciation may. It is continuous process. When we are using year after year means on the day, must and should we need to charge the depreciation. For the charging depreciation, we have different methods. So as per the method only, so whether it may be either on the basis of rules and regulations of the business, so we need to choose the charge of depreciation, whether it may be either fixed or written down value or annuity. So these are the various methods. In the next session, we will discuss that methods. But here it is a continuous process means the value of assets every year we need to charge the depreciation. The depreciation is charged on the basis of different methods. Again, the next feature of depreciation, it is non-cash expenses. It is non-cash expenses. How? It does not involve any cash outflow from the business activity. Here it is a non-cash expenses. Why? Because it does not involve any cash outflow in the business activity. Again, the next feature of depreciation, it is an expaid cost. The depreciation, it is totally expenses to the business. That expenses we can treat it as it is an expaid cost. It is totally loss to the business organization and hence must be deducted before calculating taxable profit. Each and every business organization must and should they need to charge the depreciation as well as the tax in the assets. Just like for example, here the profit before depreciation and tax rupees 1 lakh. Just we are assuming before paying tax, before charging depreciation and tax, the value of machine should be 1 lakh rupees. This is what total profit in the business operation. Profit before depreciation and tax, the total 1 lakh rupees. Suppose the depreciation amount we are charging 10,000 rupees. I mean, just the rate of depreciation we are assuming 10%. 1 lakh into 10% means we will get 10,000 rupees. Right? The 10,000 rupees, this is what depreciation amount. So here, this is what total profit in the business organization. In that profit, we are not deducted depreciation as well as a taxable amount. So just now we are charging depreciation. That depreciation should be 10,000 means the remaining balance 1 lakh minus 10,000. The remaining balance should be 90,000 rupees. So these 90,000 rupees we can call as profit after tax. Profit after tax total we have 90,000 rupees. So in this 90,000 rupees we are not deducted tax amount. We are not charged the tax. Suppose when the tax is deducted means again we need to decrease. Again we need to declare in the profit totally. So here finally it shows it is an expaid cost. The 10,000 rupees, this is what expaid cost, because of it is loss to the business organization. So here these are the various features of depreciation. Again once again here the first feature of depreciation, it declines in the book value of fixed assets. Second one, it includes loss of value due to passage of time. This is what second feature of depreciation. Again, third one, it is an continuous process. In the business organization, the depreciation should continuous process. Each and every year the value of assets goes on diminishing or reducing year after year. The next one, it is a non-cash expenses. The depreciation should be non-cash expenses. Why? Because it does not include any cash outflow from the business activity. Finally, it is an expired cost. The depreciation should be expired cost and hence must be deducted before calculating taxable profit. So first of all, at the time of calculating profit, we need to deduct depreciations as well as taxes in the business organization. After charging depreciation as well as tax, the final balance we can treat it as profit in the business organization. So in this session, just we have discussed what are the various features of depreciation. So in the next class again we will discuss it in the different methods of depreciation. Thank you, students.